unlock the limitless potential of online entrepreneurship, the dynamic realm of digital product sale. Discover the strategies, tools, and insights that empower you to thrive in the digital marketplace. Let's transform ideas into profit, one digital product at a time. Hey everybody, welcome to the Money Rule. Today we are going to go over the top 9 digital products that can change your life in 2024. Number 1. Selling online courses. Before we get started, if you are passionate about a particular subject or possess a unique skill set, online courses can be a game changer. First thing first, identify your niche. What sets your expertise apart? Once you have got that nailed down, let's move on to the next step, choosing platforms. There are numerous platforms out there to host and sell your courses, from giants like Udemy and Teachable to niche platforms. Each has its pros and cons. Consider your target audience, pricing, flexibility, and the feature each platform offers before making your choice. Creating engaging content. Now onto the heart of your online courses. The content, make it engaging, interactive, and valuable. Structure your lessons logically, include multimedia elements, and don't forget to add practical exercise. The goal is to keep your student hooked and ensure they are gaining real-world skill. Marketing strategies. Once your courses is ready, it's time to inspire the world. Social media, email marketing, and collaboration with influencers are fantastic ways to reach your target audience. Create a buzz around your courses, highlight its unique selling points, and offer early bird discounts to boost initial enrollment. Building a community. Building a community around your courses enhances the overall learning experience. Consider creating a private group on social media where students can discuss lessons, ask questions, and network. This sense of community not only adds value to your courses but also foster a loyal following. Remember, success takes time, so be patient and stay dedicated to delivering quality content. Number 2. Ebooks, guides, and PDFs. So why venture into the world of ebooks, guides, and PDFs? These versatile formats allow you to share your expertise, stories, or valuable information with a global audience. Plus, they can be a fantastic sources of passive income over time. Now, let's talk about getting started. First, identify your niche and target audience. What knowledge or passion do you have that others might find valuable? Tailor your content to meet their needs and interests. Next, outline your content. This roadmap will guide your writing process and keep you organized. Break down your ideas into chapters or sections for a smoother writing experience. When it comes to the actual writing, stay true to your unique voice. Readers connect with authenticity. Also, don't be afraid to edit and revise. Your first draft is just that, a draft. Polish your content to ensure clarity. Formatting and design play a crucial role. A well-formatted ebook or guide is more enjoyable to read. Consider using images, bullet points, and headings to break up text and enhance visual appeal. Lastly, let's talk about marketing. Utilize social media, create a website, or leverage existing platforms to promote your work. Building a strong online presence will help you reach a wider audience. Number 3. Printable templates. So what exactly are printable templates? Think of them as your digital assistant, ready to simplify your life. From planners and calendars to budget trackers and business cards, these templates are pre-designed and ready to print. No need to start from scratch, just download, customize, and print. It's that easy. The beauty of printable templates lies in their versatility. Need a stylish resume? There's a template for that. Planning a wedding? We have got templates for invitations, setting charts, and more. Whether you are organizing your schedule or unleashing your creativity, these templates are a time-saving blessing. Now, let's talk about practicality. I will walk you through the simple steps to use printable templates effectively. From choosing the right design to personalizing it with your details, you will be a template pro in no time. And yes, I will share my favorite sources of free and premium templates. Let's discuss the perks. Printable templates not only save you time but also ensure a polished and professional look. Plus, I will share some time-saving tips to maximize your templates experience, because who doesn't love efficiency? Number 4. Selling stock photos. Selling stock photos is a fantastic way to monetize your photography skill. First up, quality is the key. Ensure your photos are high resolution, well composed, and tell a compelling story. This will grab the attention of potential buyers. Next, you need to choose the right platform. There are numerous stock photo websites out there, such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Unsplash. Research each platform to find the one that aligns with your goals and style. Consistency is crucial. Build a portfolio with a theme to attract a specific audience. Regularly upload new content to keep your portfolio fresh and engage your audience. Now, when it comes to keywords and description, be strategic. Use relevant terms to enhance the discoverability of your photos. Remember, passion is key in this journey. Number 5. Digital art and illustration. Where should you showcase and sell your digital art? Platforms like Etsy, Society6, and Redbubble offer a global marketplace for artists. Create a profile that reflects your unique style and start building your brand presence. Consider specializing in a niche, whether it's fantasy, landscape, character designs, or minimalist illustration. Find your niche can help you stand out and attract a dedicated audience. Presentation matters. Invest time in creating captivating thumbnails and high quality images of your artwork. Potential buyers are more likely to engage with well presented pieces. Determining the right price for your digital art can be tricky. Research similar artists in your niche. Consider your time and effort and find a balance that reflects that value of your work. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok to showcase your work. Engage with your audience and drive traffic to your sales platform. Whether you are dreaming of making a side income or turning your art into a full-time career, selling digital art and illustration is a fantastic avenue of explore. Remember, patience and consistency are key. Number 6. Printable games and puzzles. So, why printable games and puzzles? Well, they are in high demand. With the rise of online entertainment, people are constantly seeking engaging activities, and printables offer a tangible and interactive solution. Plus, it's a fantastic niche for both creative minds and aspiring entrepreneurs. Creating your own printables might seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. Tip 1. Identify your target audience. Are you catering to kids, adults, or a specific niche? Tip 2. Utilize your friendly design tools. Platforms like Canva make it a breeze to craft visually appealing games. Tip 3. Keep it versatile. From word searches to trivia, offer a variety to attract a broader audience. Now, where do you sell these games? Etsy and Gumroad are fantastic platforms to showcase and sell your printables. When it comes to marketing, leverage social media, create eye-catching previews, and don't forget to optimize your insights with relevant keywords for better visibility. And there you have it, folks. Selling printable games and puzzles is not just a creative outlet, but a lucrative business. If you are ready to turn your passion into profit, start brainstorming those game ideas and dive into the world of online entrepreneurship. Number 7. Printable planners. Why printable planners? Well, the market for digital planners is booming, and here's why. Convenience, customization, and eco-friendliness. People love the flexibility of digital planners, the ability to tailor them to their needs, and the environmental impact of going paperless. It's a win-win for both sellers and buyers. The key to success is selling printable planners is finding your niche, whether it's fitness, productivity, or goal setting. Identify your target audience and create planners that cater specifically to their needs. This targeted approach will set you apart in a saturated market. Now, let's talk about design and branding. Your planners should not only be functional but also visually appealing. Invest time in creating eye-catching designs and establish a cohesive brand identity. A well-designed planner not only attracts customers but also reflects professionalism and quality. Once your planners are ready, it's time to choose your platform. Etsy, Gumroad, and your own website are great options. Leverage social media and content marketing to drive traffic. Highlight the unique features of your planners, share customer testimonials, and create engaging content to build a community around your brand. Selling printable planners is a fantastic way to turn your creativity into income. Remember, consistency and customer satisfaction are key. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your online business flourish. Number 8. ChatGPT prompts. Now, you might be wondering, what are ChatGPT prompts? Well, ChatGPT is an incredible language model, and prompts are the input you give it to generate response. And guess what? There's a market for creative and engaging prompts. Imagine turning your writing skill into a lucrative venture. Whether you are a seasoned content creator or just getting started, selling ChatGPT prompts can be a game changer. Here are a few ways you can do it. First up, crafting compelling prompts. Businesses and individuals are consistently speaking fresh, engaging content. By creating prompts that spark creativity, you can cater to this demand and earn some serious income. Next, building a niche market specialized in a particular industry or topic. This not only allows you to hone your skill but also makes you to go-to person from prompts in that niche. Number 9. Website themes and templates. So, why should you consider selling website themes? Well, the demand for unique and professionally designed website is consistently growing. Businesses and individuals alike are looking for ways to stand out online, and that's where you come in. Diversify your income. Selling themes allows you to create a passive income stream. Once a theme is developed, you can sell it multiple times without additional effort. Build your portfolio. Selling themes is a fantastic way to showcase your design skill. Your portfolio becomes a living, breathing example for your capabilities. Community engagement. Join online marketplace and communities where you can connect with other designers, receive feedback, and stay updated on industry trends. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more valuable videos of making money online and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of how to make money series, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.